Good evening, children. Children, yesterday we discussed 15th up to 16th we discussed, I think. Up to 16th we discussed. Today we will see the 17th problem in exercise 4.3. In exercise 4.3 only. 4.3. In this, see, same, it is based on the two parallel lines. Here he has given AB is parallel to CD and angle PQR he has given. Angle PQR is equals to 80 degrees. This one he has given. We have to find out the X. X we have to find out. Y, angle Y we have to find out. Angle Z also we have to find out. How to find X, Y, Z? See, first, if you see these two lines, if AB is parallel to CD, and PQ, don't observe this one. You observe only PQ is the transversal. If it is a transversal, this angle, this complete angle and this angle, these two angles, how they look like? See, angle DPQ plus angle PQR. Angle PQR is equals to 180 degrees. Why? Because these two angles are on the same side of the transversal. Angles on the same side of the transversal. See, angles on the same side of the transversal. So it is 180. What is the DPQ? DPQ is nothing but 2x plus 3x, both angles, both will get, plus PQR is equal to 80, that is equals to 180. So if you transpose this one, this is 5x, this is 5x. So if you transpose this, 180 minus 80 plus 80, if you transpose to the right hand side, it becomes minus, so 100. So if you keep variable term on the left hand side and take the coefficient of x to the right hand side, here it is multiplying. If you transpose it divides. So 5 2's, 5 zeros. So x is equals to 20 degrees. X is equals to 20 degrees. What about 2x? 2x is equal to 2 into 20, that is 40 degrees. This angle, if you take triangle PQR, we know this angle and this also we found already. We have to find out Y. How to find out Y? Sum of the angles of a triangle is 180. According to that, in triangle PQR, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equals to 180 degrees. So angle Q is 80 degrees. What about P? 2x. 2x means 40 degrees plus, what about R? We don't know. R is nothing but Y. So 180, sum of the angles in a triangle. Sum of the angles in a triangle is 180. Okay, 180 degrees. That according to that we took this one. So 40 plus 80, 120 plus y. Y is equal to 180. So y is equals to 180 minus 120. That is angle y is equals to 60 degrees. We knew y we completed, x completed. Only z is there. Only z means, see, here if you observe these two angles, angle PRQ plus angle PRB is equal to 180. linear pair. These two angles forms a linear pair, no? Linear pair. So these two angles, angle Y we knew 60 degrees, Z we don't know, plus Z is equal to 180. So angle Z is equal to 180 minus 60, we get 120. In this way also we can find out. Otherwise these two angles forms 180. In that way also you can find, in different ways we can found. See, X completed, Y completed, and Z also completed. Next one, see. Eighteenth one. See, this is one triangle. See, AB is parallel to CD. These two lines are parallel, and here P is equal to Y degrees. We have to find out Y. Here 90 degrees. This one 70. This is X. And this one Z. Okay. See, from this AB is parallel to CD. Here also AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD. If you think, before going to that, we will see these angles in the straight line. So angle X plus 70 degrees plus angle X is equal to 180. So according to this, Y 180 angles on the straight line. Angles on the straight line is 180. So X 2x plus 70 degrees is equal to 180. So 2x is equals to 180 minus 70, if you transpose 110. So x is equals to, here it is multiplying, if it divides, x is equals to 2 5s are 10. 55 degrees. X we got. Here x we got, that is 55 degrees. See, in this triangle, this is E. In this triangle APQ, in triangle APE, this is one triangle. In this triangle we know this one. Third angle we have to find out. Angle A plus angle P plus angle E is equals to 180. Sum of the angles of a triangle is 180. So angle A 90, angle P, angle Y plus angle, this one X is nothing but 55 is equal to 180. So add this one, 145 plus angle Y is equal to 180. Angle Y is equal to 180 minus 145. 10 minus 5, 5. 10 minus 5, 5. 7 minus 4, 3. 1 minus 1, 0. So angle Y is equal to 35 degrees. We knew X, we knew Y, we knew. What about Z? See, AB is parallel to CD, and if you think this is a transversal, these two angles forms the angles on the same side of the transversal is 180. Angle DCE plus angle DCE plus angle CEB. Angle CEB is equal to 180. So angle Z plus angle X is equal to 180. We knew X. What is X here? 55. So angle Z plus 55 is equal to 180. So angle Z is equal to 180 minus 55. We will get 10 minus 5, 5, 7 minus 5, 2, then 125 degrees. Angle Z is equals to 125. We found X, Y, Z. In this way, you try to find out the remaining, 19th problem you try. Otherwise, tomorrow we will discuss. Thank you.